In order to subscribe to my channel, please click here or click here. Please share, comment and like my videos and channel. Hey guys, welcome to ServiceNow 4 minutes video for developers. This series is about REST integration. In this video, we will talk about what is integration and ServiceNow REST. What is integration? When two different applications communicate with each other and share data, that is integration. If you have application 1, it can be any application, maybe ServiceNow, maybe any other platform. Or you have another application that can be any third-party application. And if these two applications communicate, when I say communicate, that means they share some data. That means application 1 needs some data from application 2. In order to do that, we have to communicate. These two applications have to communicate with each other so that they can share the data. Integrations are basically two types: outbound integration and inbound integration. What is outbound integration? When ServiceNow makes a call to third-party system to share the data between two systems, that's outbound integration. That means you are making a call directly from ServiceNow to third-party system. So you have ServiceNow instance that becomes the consumer. And if you are sending a call to a third-party application, that will become the provider. And that will return some response so that you can get that data into your instance. What is inbound integration? Other system will make call to ServiceNow and perform different operations to create or update records. That will be inbound integration. That means you have ServiceNow instance and you might have different applications in your organization who wants to get some data from ServiceNow or maybe insert some data into ServiceNow. That will become inbound integration. Like you have ServiceNow instance, that will become the provider. And then you will have a consumer in a third-party application. That third-party application will send a request and in return it will get a response from ServiceNow instance. Like you can see, we have ServiceNow. For inbound integration, you have ServiceNow and then we have other applications like Jira, GitHub, Vendor, ServiceNow or Microsoft Teams. These are some applications which your organization might need to integrate with ServiceNow. They might need some data, they might need to insert some data into ServiceNow. They will send a call to ServiceNow. That means they will send a request, that is inbound call to ServiceNow. In return of that, they will get a response from ServiceNow. That means they will get whatever data they want from ServiceNow. So these are inbound call to ServiceNow and then you get the data from ServiceNow. Now the important question here is, what is REST? So ServiceNow uses REST integration. But before that, we should know what exactly REST is. REST is a type of web service. It's a way you can communicate between two systems. It's basically, REST is representational state transfer. It's one of the way to create web services. And the important point for REST is it is stateless architecture. And one of the important point again is it is recommended by ServiceNow. Methods of REST. There are different methods of REST so that you can communicate with different applications. One is GET, that is retrieve data. POST, if you want to create a new record, put, update the existing record, delete when you want to delete the existing record, patch when you want to update the existing record partially. Testing API. There is a third-party application, and the name of that application is POSTMAN. So if you want to perform testing, whatever inbound integration you are doing, and if you want to perform testing whether you are getting the right response or not, or you are able to connect to ServiceNow or not, in that case you can perform that testing with the help of this application POSTMAN. ServiceNow REST. We have this instance ServiceNow. In that case, for example, you have incident table and you want to integrate. That means you want to do some different operations. And what operations you can do? The major operations you can do is CRUD operations, and that is create, read, update, and delete. Now these are CRUD operations which you can do in ServiceNow. So ServiceNow comes up with different APIs like table APIs, aggregate APIs, metric APIs. There are other more APIs which you can utilize to connect with ServiceNow and utilizing different functionalities of ServiceNow. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Please put your comments for any questions.